Here we have a 2018 18 plate BMW 530D XDRIVE M Sport. Now we do have four 20-inch alloy wheels with the M Sport brake calipers just hiding behind. We also have LED headlights as well as black kidney grills, M Sport starting kit which includes black front splitter, side skirt extensions and also rear diffuser. Here's a quick look at another alloy wheel. Now I do have black window trim as well as privacy glass on the rear. You can also see the side skirt extension just there. There's a quick look at another alloy wheel. Now I do have front and rear parking sensors as well as dual exhaust flush to the rear bumper and rear diffuser. That rear diffuser does make this car stand out. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. It does look absolutely superb from every angle. And there's a look at the last alloy wheel. Now if we come inside, we do have full Dakota leather throughout with ISO fixed points, pull down leather armrest. We also have storage behind the driver and passenger seat. We have vents in the centre as well as two storage trays, and as well we do have 12-volt connectivity. In the doors we have Harman Kardon which is integrated, so there's the BMW individual trim just there with ambient lighting just underneath with electric windows as well. And then we have the Dakota leather just there as well. Go to the front of the car, there's a look at the driver's full Dakota leather front seat with extended thigh support if you may need it. Now the seats are also heated electric. Now if you come to the door, again we have the BMW individual trim with ambient lighting underneath, integrated Harman Kardon speakers with electric windows just there as well. Jumping inside the car, just down here we do have auto lights. Foot on the brake, we have keyless start. Now we do have multifunction steering wheel, cruise control and speed limiter just there, as well as paddle shift if we switch the car into manual mode. Now this vehicle has done just over 70,000 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dash. Just get rid of that sun glare for you so you can see. Now the dash is digital, so when you do change through driver mode, the dials do change colour, which is a nice feature to this vehicle. Now in the centre, we do have different drive modes. We have Eco Pro, Comfort, and also Sport. And we also have satellite navigation, which is also touchscreen, so you can zoom in and out using your fingers. We also have media connectivity, where we have DAB radio. Go across, we have FM, AM, music collection, CD, DVD, Bluetooth audio, and also USB. We also have phone connectivity, and we also have nav as well. Pop car into reverse, you can see the front and rear parking sensors just there. Now if we go onto home, you can also flick through the menus just there, and it also tells you the weather in Sandbach, which is where we currently are. Coming down here, we do have dual zone climate control, which works just as you would expect it to, as well we have ice cold aircon. For those cold winter mornings, you also have two heated front seats, which makes all the difference. Again, the BMW individual trim just there. Open that up, we have two nice size cup holders, storage tray where the key is currently kept, as well as USB and also 12-volt connectivity. This is what you use to control everything that's on the screen, as well as your traction control on and off, drive mode select, parking sensors on and off, electric parking brake with auto hold. Soft touch leather armrest, storage underneath as well. There's a button just underneath there. And there's a look at the passengers full Dakota leather front seat, again with extended thigh support if you may need it. On the dash we do have the BMW individual trim again, which does look absolutely superb. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT and we offer competitively finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 530D XDRIVE M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as it should, and as you can see I'm not having to fight with steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. We do cruise control and speed limiter on the left hand side of the multifunction steering wheel. To activate, simply press the button with the dial on it, it'll then go to the nearest miles per hour. On the dial, push up and it'll adjust by 1, push up until you feel it click and it'll adjust to the nearest 5 miles an hour. Now to cancel, simply press the brake and then the cruise control will then cancel. So right now I'm going to see roundabout, I'm going to take a left as you would if you're driving this vehicle today. Now we do have paddle shift if we stick the car into manual mode, so I'm going to take over now. So I'm in 3rd, 4th, 5th, and then simply just let the car take back over by taking your hands off. And when it needs to change gear, it'll then change gear here for you. And go back into D. Now I do have satellite navigation as well as DAB radio, Bluetooth media connectivity as well as Bluetooth phone connectivity, and the screen is actually touchscreen, which makes it a lot easier. But as well as the touchscreen, you have a dial just here, which you can use as well. Now I do have very comfortable full Dakota leather front seats, which you can easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. And for those cold winter mornings, they're also heated, which makes all the difference. Now here at IS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the past 3-4 years, and we now do contactless nationwide next day delivery. We are a 5-star dealership with over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader, as well as Car Gurus. And if you read through the reviews, our customers really do reiterate the fact how good we are to buy for and how caring of a company we actually are. So right now, I'm coming up to the industrial estate where I'm going to take a right. I'm going to perform emergency stop, put it straight into reverse, just show you that the brakes work as they should, and so do the front and rear parking sensors. So coming in now, I'm going to go hard on the brakes. Now, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. Back into drive, you can see the front and rear parking sensors just there. Again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can go through all your questions and inquiries, and they can also book an appointment for you to view and test drive the selected vehicle of your choosing. But that's it from me, so thank you very much for watching.